He's back. He's back. Look. What the heck? What the heck? They're not even scared at all. Tell me, man, what do you want? What? Do you want something? What about you? Are you just relaxing and resting? Are you sad? Oh, oh. Both lovers are here. Are you talking to me? What are you saying? Are you singing? No, are you crying? Oh, look at you. You want something to eat? Oh, don't be like that. You know that I don't want. Oh, my honey. Please, do something like that. Go away, go away, go away.